Hey Jamie and Sam, did you hear that song earlier? Let's Go Back? It got me thinking about our favorite things.
Yeah, I heard it. Let's talk about favorites.
Cool. Jamie, what's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Really? Mine too. How about you, Sam?
I like green. It's calming.
Nice. What about food? Jamie, what's your favorite?
I love pizza, especially with lots of cheese.
Pizza's great. I like sushi, though.
I'm a big fan of tacos. What about seasons? Jamie?
I love summer. It's warm and sunny.
I prefer spring. Everything blooms.
I like autumn. The colors are amazing. What about sports?
Tennis is my favorite. I play every weekend.
I enjoy basketball. It's exciting.
I'm into soccer. It's fun to play. Last one, favorite movie?
I love comedies, especially Ace Ventura.
I like action movies. Die Hard is a classic.
I enjoy sci-fi, like Star Wars.